Did you know that French sorrel, with its sharp lemony tang, was once a staple in medieval European kitchens, used to bring a bright, zesty flavour to otherwise bland dishes? This ancient herb, loved for its versatility, is making a comeback in modern cuisine, and today we're diving into what makes it so extraordinary. French sorrel is an incredibly versatile herb that's highly prized in French cooking. From soups to salads, and from sauces to entrees, its unique flavour and versatility have made it a staple in many French kitchens. But what makes it so special, and why, is it often overlooked in modern cooking? That's what we're going to explore today. Sorrel is often mistaken for just another ordinary green, relegated to the same category as spinach or kale. But nothing could be further from the truth. While it's true that sorrel does share some similarities with these other greens, its unique flavour profile and nutritional benefits set it apart from the rest. One of the main reasons sorrel is overlooked is that it's not as widely available as some other herbs. You won't typically find it in your average supermarket, and even many specialty stores may not carry it. But for those who have discovered its charms, sorrel is a game changer. Its tart, slightly sour taste adds a depth and complexity to dishes that's hard to replicate with other ingredients. Another reason sorrel is often overlooked is that it's not as flashy as some other herbs. It doesn't have the bright colours or bold flavours of some other ingredients, so it can be easy to overlook it in favour of more attention-grabbing options. But sorrel is a chameleon-like ingredient that can adapt to a wide range of dishes and flavour profiles. Whether you're making a delicate sauce or a hearty stew, sorrel can add a unique twist that elevates the entire dish. Despite its many charms, sorrel is often seen as old-fashioned or out of touch. It's associated with traditional French cooking, and many modern chefs and home cooks may see it as too stodgy or old-fashioned for their tastes. But nothing could be further from the truth. Sorrel is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of modern dishes, from trendy salads to cutting-edge entrees. French sorrel has a unique, tangy flavour that's both refreshing and invigorating. It's packed with nutrients, including vitamins A and C, as well as potassium and iron. And because it's so versatile, it can be used in everything from soups and salads to sauces and entrees. One of my favourite ways to use sorrel is in a classic French sauce, where its tart flavour adds a depth and complexity to the dish. I also love using it in salads, where its bright, refreshing flavour adds a nice contrast to richer ingredients. One of the things I love most about sorrel is its ability to elevate even the most mundane dishes. Take a simple chicken breast, for example, and add some sautéed sorrel to the pan. Suddenly, you've got a dish that's both familiar and excitingly new. And because sorrel pairs so well with a wide range of ingredients, the possibilities are truly endless. One of my favourite recipes using French sorrel is a classic French dish called sauce Verte. This is a bright, tangy sauce made with sorrel, shallots, garlic and cream, and it's absolutely divine. Simply sauté the sorrel and shallots in butter until they're soft and fragrant. Then add in some garlic and cream and simmer until the sauce has thickened. Serve it over chicken or fish, and you've got a truly show-stopping dish. In a way, sorrel is the ultimate chef's secret ingredient. It's not something you'd typically think to add to a dish, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. And because it's so versatile, you can use it in a wide range of dishes, from casual weeknight meals to elaborate dinner parties. In the end, French sorrel is more than just a unique ingredient. It's a way of cooking. It's about embracing tradition, while still pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about taking risks and trying new things, even when they might seem old-fashioned or out of touch. So if you haven't tried sorrel before, I urge you to give it a shot. you might just discover a whole new world of flavors and possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of French sorrel. If you've had experiences with sorrel, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new to sorrel, I hope this video has inspired you to give it a try. Don't forget to check out my other videos on herbs and spices, and subscribe to our growing taste cabinet community for further updates. I'll see you in the next video.